So,
Don't.
Pretty lame adventure.
Don't!
I was hanging out with my friend John. We just went to go eat, spent all my money for a lame adventure. I'm only smiling because I'm crying. Like,
You had an awesome adventure. Why don't you start with me?
Now
without me, your entire day would have been just. I'm so bored. Where's John? I wish John was here. And I was here.
Well, now we're proceeding, going to Chelsea's house or something.
Where's Grandpa live?
I'm just a little fucking ticked. Oh, we should go to Campbell's house. Can we go to Campbell's house? His house right here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna narrate the whole way there. We're going to Campbell's house!
Put this on YouTube later.
It will go on YouTube later.
Yes! Yes!
So, Campbell, hi, we're going to your house. Secret surprise. That's John. Hey. I'm Jordan. Hey. This is the A-team.
Oh my god, wait.
Whoa, we're slowing down. We're going into a curve. What's going on, John?
Troubles are brewing. I have an idea.
Ain't no big thing. Trees. Washington. What's up? I'm filming you.
You are?
Because you're taking a long time.
I'm trying my best. I did my best! What was I doing? I remember. Look. Okay. I got this. Alright, Jordan, are you ready for an adventure? It's adventure time.
Stay!
Is that a meteor?
You have to turn right up here.
I know! Ah! Hear that? Is that a dinosaur? No, I think it's okay now.
Oh, the sun's getting brighter than it normally is. Wait, is that the sun? Ah! See, so something's getting closer. Something obscure. Dr. Cox?
Those sun waves hit at least 100 milligrams. We're all dead.
Exactly.
Whoa!
100 milligrams. Be the death of me. Whoa! They're demons!
Ah!
Demon bitches!
We gotta pull into the school!
There's a fat demon bitch!
Hold on!
Oh my god!
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
We'll have to turn right again.
Yeah, we got it. Who is that man? I don't know him.
I've never seen this part of the rock.
Whoa! Shit!
The trees are about to fall over!
Hold on! Where's Campbell's house?
No, you gotta turn on the next turn up there on left!
I'm on it!
It's our early escape route! Right there!
Where's the van? Which one is it? The flagpole?
It's that one right there, the purple one!
Yes!
With the purple house and the flagpole! like we made it.